Hello my dear students, how are you all? So welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Today I am here with another session in PU1 top 30 KCET questions, top 30 KCET MCQ, the most expected questions from your chapters. I have taken here straight lines and conic section. Okay, so yes, if you check the previous last 10 years trends, you can find almost 10 questions coming your way, means one question each from both the chapters. Okay, so I've taken total 30 questions. I'm telling you, if you solve all these 30 questions, you don't have to solve anything else. Okay, that will be good enough. I am taking a lot of problems, variety of problems. You can see the trends are there. Revise just all the concept, all the formulas if you remember, and do this question. It will be good enough for you. 30 questions, okay, that's good enough. If you solve 30 questions, you can get 2 out of it. Good, okay. So I'll solve all the PYQs, all the of course for the last 10 years, and of course some extra questions I've taken. I think almost 10 questions I've taken extra, 10 to 12 questions I've taken extra than other than PYQs, and total of 10-20 questions I've taken around 18-20 questions I've taken around PYQs. Okay, so we'll see that right now. Let's start the session. Question number 1 coming your way from top 30 of KCET from PU1, straight lines and conic section. Please check. A straight line is a PYQ. Straight line passes through the point this and this, perpendicular from the point. Okay, I can find the line from here. Please check. Y minus 3 if I'm writing equals to, I'll have please check what I'm gonna have. 3 minus 0 if I write, let's say 3 minus 0 upon 0 minus 5, okay, into x minus 0. So I get y minus 3 equals to minus 3 by 5x will become 5y. Okay, yeah, 5y minus 15, you have minus 3x, bring it on the side, you get what? 3x plus 5y minus 15 equals to 0. Minus 15 equals to 0. Okay, great. So 1 second, I think it'll become so, yeah, correct only, excuse me. Now we're looking for perpendicular from this point, right? So we'll have distance, we'll have length only, so distance. Okay, please check. If you write this point, 4 into 3 is going to be 12, 5 into 4 will become again 20, and you have minus, please check, 5 into, so 15, simply 15, sir. Okay, have a look. 3 into 4, 4 into 5, and simply minus 15 divided by root of 9 plus 25. Correct, no? 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Answer will be 32 minus 15, 17. Okay, divided by what I have over here, root 34. I can write this going to be, please check, it will become, so if I write in the root only, I write here as 17 into 17 by 34. I get 17 2s are, answer is 17 by 2. Option is D. Option is D. Please check. Question number 1 is done. Question number 2 now. Alright, sir. So if you check the question number 2, acha, before that I want all of you to join the Abhyas KCET. I am asking you, okay, because there's no other way, no best way possible for you to solve variety of questions. Okay, in maths itself you have 11 question papers to solve, including part test and full length test. Total of 35 across PC, MB, but math is 11. Total of 60 questions each in each paper. See so many questions you can solve. If you're solving those many questions, let me know how will you feel, how much a variety of solving, or you're solving PYQs, I'm helping you solve PYQs, other questions also you're solving in the Abhyas KCET test series. If you do that, you'll have a very good preparation for your KCET examination for this year. Okay, now please check what you're getting over here. 35 total of tests. In this you have 4 free, of course it was given to you, 31 paid. Detailed video solutions are getting for every single sessions, every single mocks, of course with analysis as well. You have chapter wise one shot revision videos, chapter wise insights for last 5 years of KCET papers, all at a price of 1498. It is not 99. 1 rupee was offer price given for you for the PU2 Success Blueprint test series. Right now the exams are over for that, so it will become 1498. Please avail this offer right now. Link for this test series web page will be given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check it out and purchase right away. A lot of students already purchased it. You should also be one who has taken the test series. Again, for people who are interested in Comet K crash course, you're writing Comet K, take this Comet K crash course. Okay, you'll have a very detailed, please check, 12 mock tests will be given to you. You'll have complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th. You'll have 5 years previous year question, okay, discussions, and you'll have live doubt solving sessions. Okay, class notes and recorded revision videos will also be given to you. Think about it. If you are preparing, let's say you're preparing for JEE or KCET, you want to get into the mood of Comet K, right? Mood in the Comet K, take the crash course at 1,999 and avail this offer price of 1,999. Actually it is priced at 6,000 rupees, but you can avail this price at 1,999 and get the crash course right now today. Now I want you to start solving the question number 2. Okay, let's try. If you want to solve it, take up pause of this video, solve it and then come back for the solution with me. If the straight lines, okay, 2x plus 3y minus 3 equals to 0, x plus ky are perpendicular, then slope will be m1 over here, m2 over here. Find m1, sir. We'll have, please check, compare this. Minus x by y, right? So minus 2 by, we have simply 3 over here, and we have over here minus, sorry, not x, minus 1 by k. Minus 1 by k, right? Yeah. Minus 1 by k. We know this m1 times m2 should be equal to minus 1. For what we get from here, minus 2 by 3 times of minus 1 by k should be equal to minus 1. I have basically, please check, I have 2 by 3 equals to minus k, so k equals to minus 2 by 3. Option C is correct. Please cross check. Acha, one more thing, these are calculations, I might make some mistakes, okay? It can happen to anyone. If I am making any mistake, let me know in the comment section. I'll cross check and get back to you, okay? We'll have the discussion. Question number 2 is done. Question number 3 now. Equation of a line passing through the point that perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular means, let's find the slope from here, m1. It'll become simply 3. m2 will be, sir, minus 1 upon m1. So we have minus 1 by 3. Now this is the slope, this is the point right here. Y minus 2 equals to minus 1 by 3 times of x minus 1, right? X minus 1 and y minus 2. Cross multiply, you get here 3y minus 6 equals to minus x plus 1. Bring on this side, everything I can bring. Yeah. So I'll get here 3y, of course I have x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. C is correct. C is correct. Next question now. As P by Q again 2017 it was asked. Please check. Okay. Question number 4 now. Okay. The equation of the line parallel to the line. Okay. Passing through this point. Parallel means same slope. Slope over here is nothing but, please check, minus 3 by minus 4. I get answer as simply 3 by 4. Parallel means same slope. M2 equals to M1. Great. Passing through the point this. So y minus 3 equals to 3 by 4 times of x minus minus 2, so plus 2. Right here 4y minus 12, 3x plus 6. I get 3x, I can bring everything on that side. Okay, so we'll have this on this side, this on this side only. We get 3x plus, okay, not plus, minus 4y. 3x minus 4y plus 18, I think. Minus 4 by 6 plus 12. So plus 18, of course, equals to 0. Option is minus 4y plus 18. Option is A. Have a look. I might make a mistake in the signs. Please cross check, bacha. Okay. I'm trying not to, but if I have, forgive me and cross check the answers. Okay. 4th is done. 5th now. A line cuts off equal intercepts. Okay. Positive direction like this now. So how much it's going to be? It'll be, sir, having the angle as 135, no? Right? Equal intercept means it'll be having the slope as minus 1. So 135, option D is correct. Correct, right? Option D is correct. Yeah, this is 45, sir. Correct? Yes. Please check. Okay, 5 is done. 6th done. Lx my equals to n, L dash of x plus m dash of y equal to n dash. Perpendicular. Find the slope from here. Slope m1 will be given by, have a look, minus L upon m. From here what I get? m2 will be given by minus L dash upon m. The perpendicular means m1 times m2 will be equal to what, bacha? We have this into this, so will become plus only L dash upon m dash, and this will be minus 1, right? So I'll have, please check, L dash upon, multiply this m dash on this side. I get, bring on this side, I get 0 equals to L dash plus m dash. Answer will be option D. Answer will be option D. Simple enough. Perpendicular, find the slope from the first and second line. Use the condition for perpendicular lines equals to -1 we have, right? Remember this equals to -1 we have. Okay? Correct now? Yeah. I've taken already here -1. Please check. Great. Question number 7 now. Question number 7. I thought I'd not take. That's why I was little, worried thinking about it. Equation of a straight line which passes through the point this. This is the point given, x and y coordinate, perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular to this line. You can write this, no? How do you find this, sir? Perpendicular means it will become, sir, this will come over here, x cosec theta, and it will become minus y sec theta equals to some other constant will be there. Let's call it b. You might have a question how. Do one thing, find slope from here. You get slope as minus sec by sine, minus sec by cosec. It will become minus tan. So it will become simply, slope will be cot in this case, and solve from here. Cot, what is the slope here? Minus cosec by sec, minus sec. It will become cot only, no? Please check here. Minus cosec theta upon minus sec theta. What do you have? This will go up. This will come down as sine. We will have cos by sine. What is that? Cot theta. Did I go too fast? Think about it. If you have minus sec by cosec, so cosec is below, right? It will go up, will become sine. So for this you will have slope as minus tan, okay? So for this you will have slope as plus cot. This is your slope, okay? Please cross check. So for this function will become simply, equation will become x cosec theta minus y sec theta equals to b. Okay, now we have the equation of the perpendicular line. Chaliye. Let me erase this. What is this, sir? This is my perpendicular lines equation, okay? X cosec theta minus y sec theta. Now this over here, I can simplify this. Now it will become x by sine theta, and I have minus y by, please check, cos theta equals to b I have. Okay, great. Now whatever is this equation, they will satisfy because this point lies on this, passing from this point. So right here, a, please check, a cos cube theta upon sine theta, okay, minus y is what, bacha? A sine cube, right? Excuse me, y is a sine cube, right? That here, y is sine cube. A sine cube theta upon cos theta. This is value of b. This is the value of b. What's the equation over here? This is the equation, right? So we write here x by sine theta minus y by cos theta equals to b value. What is the value of b, sir? From here, this is the b value, okay? Write it over here, this whole thing. So I can write this as, please check, a cos cube theta upon sine theta minus a sine cube theta upon cos theta. Take LCM now. What you'll have? You'll have x cos theta minus y sine theta upon sine theta cos theta, and of course on this side we have a cos power 4 theta minus a sine power 4 theta upon sine into cos. Please check. I can simplify this. Cancel. What I'm getting here, we have only one option like this, sir. X cos minus y sine. Okay, now we have two options like this. Okay, please check. So I can solve this. I have to solve this RHS now. Take a common. What I have, sir? A square minus b square. Cos square the square minus sine square the square. Not seeing that, please check. Writing this as cos square theta the whole square, and this as sine square theta the whole square. So a square minus b square, right? So what I have, please check, cos square theta minus sine square theta. Another one will become simply 1. How come, sir? Cos square plus sine square will become 1. This minus this is there in the square, so this minus this plus, sorry, into this plus this, so will become 1. Cos square plus sine square will become 1. Okay, this is nothing over here. What is this formula, sir? Cos square minus sine square becomes simply cos 2 theta. Remember, cos square theta minus sine square theta is nothing but formula is there, cos 2 theta. That's your answer. A cos 2 theta, please check. This is negative over here. Option is B. Excellent question. Very good question. Okay, answer is, seventh answer is B. Please check. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, Till here, no problem. We did it to find the value of b. Put it back over here. LCM is there. Taken the denominator out by cancelling each other and simplifying this formula with the help of this formula, sir. A square minus b square formula. What I have? A minus b times of a plus b. Over here, please check. A square minus b square. A itself is, what is a value, bacha? A is cos square theta. What is b value, bacha? Sin square theta. Please check. Done or not? Done or not? Yes, sir. Question number 8 now. We'll solve. Okay. 8th problem. Have a look at this. With a straight line given like this, perpendicular, slope from here, we have minus 2 upon minus 3 equals to m1. So basically m1 equals to 2 by 3. Correct now? 2 by 3. Great. What about this slope from here? We have, please check, beta minus 17 upon 15 minus 7. So beta minus 17 upon 8. This is my slope m2. That's given that perpendicular means, of course, m1 times m2 becomes equals to minus 1. What I get over here, please check. Beta minus 17 upon 8 into 2 by 3 equals to minus 1. Cross multiply now. What I'm getting here, please check. 2 beta minus 34 equals to minus 24. 8 into 3 on this side. 8 into 3 is 24 on this side. Bring on this side over here. What I get, bacha? I get 2 beta equals to minus 24 plus 34. I get here 10. 2 beta is 10 means beta is 5. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Please check. Beta is 5. Option C is correct, sir. Okay. 8th is done. 9th one now. We'll solve the question number 9th. It was also a PYQ 2028. Sorry, 2022. What I'm saying, 28. Okay. 8th question was there. 9th one now. A line passes through 2, 2 and it is perpendicular to the line. Okay. Perpendicular to the line. Okay. Let's find this. Perpendicular means, let's find the slope over here. First m1 will become equal to minus 3. So m2 will become plus 1 by 3. Correct now? Perpendicular they're saying, right? From here m1 you can see is minus 3, right? So m2 will become plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now what are they saying? Passes through this means y minus 2 equals to 1 by 3 times of x minus 2. They're saying that y-intercept, bacha. It means x is 0 on that. Let's put x as 0. Y minus 2, 1 by 3, 0 minus 2. I'm looking for y-intercepts. I'm looking for y-intercept. Please check. I get here y minus 2 equals to, I have minus 2 by 3. Bring this 2 on this side. So I get y equals to minus 2 by 3 plus 2. Y equals to, what I get? 6 by 3. So minus 2 plus 6 by 3. How much is that? 4 by 3 is value of y. Option C is correct. Please cross check if I am getting an answer wrong. Let me know, okay? 9th is C. Question number 10 now. All right. Okay. A point P lies on the circle x square plus y square. Point P lies on the circle. Center is at origin 0, 0. Please check. Point P lies over here. Let's see. Point P over here. I have 5, 12 somewhere like this. 5, 12, let's say somewhere is over here. 5, 12. And over here I have mass 12, 5, let's say somewhere over here. Mass 12, 5. Okay. Alright, this will be, sir, please check perpendicular actually. Correct now. Slope over here is how much, sir? This slope is nothing but 12 by 5, right? And this slope is how much, sir? Minus 5 by 12, right? Please check. This slope is minus 5 by 12 over here. Slope. This is m1, this is m2. It means this angle is, sir, how much? 90 degree. What are they asking? Well, they're given the value also. This is going to be, sir, Q point. This is going to be, what's, sir, R point. And this is P. What are they asking? QPR. QPR. This is 45 now, sir. We learned in grade 10. Right? Angle made by the segment on the center is twice the at the circumference. So we get this is 45, this is 90. Answer is 45. QPR is 45 means pi by 4. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Done. 11th one now. It's not a P by Q. No. if the straight line 3x plus 4y is equals to k touches the circle, it means like this, 3x plus 4y equals to k. Okay, some circle with a center, we don't know the center and this thing. Okay, we do know that, yeah, they're given the equation, right? X square plus y square minus 16x equals to 0. It means the form is what? 2gx, right? So your g value is nothing but 8 here. Please check. 8 here, right? Yeah. So your g value is 8. And what is the radius, sir? Radius is also 8 only, because we write root of g square plus f square minus 0. It will become simply g only, right? This is the radius. What was the center, bacha? G comma f. It will become simply 8 comma 0, right? Yeah. All right. Please check. This point is 8 comma 0. And this value is 8. I can find the distance formula, right? Yeah. Perpendicular from this point to this, they are perpendicular, right? This is a radius and this is tangent. Touches, right? It means 1 point contact. So tangent. What is this? Tangent. Property is there, perpendicular. Okay. So apply this condition. You'll have 24. 0 into 4 is 0. We have, bring this k on this side, will become minus k. So right here minus k. In the modulus divided by root of, please check. 3 plus 3 square is going to be 9. 4 5 16 equals to 8. What is this distance, sir? Radius is 8. So what I have, 24 minus k upon 5 is there. No? So right here 8 into 5. What I get? 40, right? So what I'm getting here? 24 minus k equals to plus minus 40. So from one of them I get 24 minus k equals to 40 plus, and I get 24 minus k equals to minus 40. From here I'm getting, please check, 64. K value is 64. Okay. And from here I'm getting k value is minus 16. Please check. K value is minus 16 and 64. Option is D. Option is D. Right? Yeah. Done. Okay. Next question. This is a good question. Okay. 12th one. The locus of a point which divides the line segment joining the point this and point on the parabola. Any point on the parabola. Please remember, any point on the parabola. I can write this as, please check. I have x square by 4 equals to y, right? So I can write here x by 2 actually. Let's write the parametric form over here. X by 2. Excuse me. X by 2 the whole square as y. So I can write this as 2t and t square. Correct now? Please check. Sorry, t square. This is the parametric form, any point on the parabola. Okay. 2t will become, bacha, what, sir? 2t upon 2 will become t only. Y will be t square. Okay, this is the point. First point is given as 0 comma minus 1. Please check. Other point is given as 2t comma minus, sorry, plus t square. Let's call this to be x comma y, the point's coordinate, okay, which is dividing it in the ratio of 1:2. Apply the section formula. 1 into t square. So I'm writing here for, let's say, y will become 1 into t square. So simply t square, and 2 into 0. So simply 0 upon, correct now? 1 into t square and 2 into, sorry, minus 1. I'm using x and y both together. I thought so. Have a look. Please check. 1 into t square, 2 into minus 1. So minus 2, right? Divided by 3. And for x what I get? Please check. I get for x 1 into 2t. So it gets 2t over here. And 2 into 0. For this we'll have 0 by 3 one more time. Okay. So if you compare now what I'm getting, please check the value of t over here. I get 3y plus 2 equals to t square. 3y plus 2 equals to t square. And from this what I get, which t value as 3x by 2 equals to t. So let's do one thing, square this up. Okay, how can I eliminate this value of t? What are they looking for? They're looking for the locus of the point, right? So basically this point's equation in x and y. They're looking for locus of this point, so equation in x and y. Okay, so I want to eliminate the variable t. How can you do that? Square over here this t and put it in place of this. So I have 3y plus 2 equals to t square. And what is t, sir? Please check. 3x by 2, the whole square. I'll club these two together to eliminate the value of t. Okay, I have 3y plus 2 equals to 9x square by 4, cross multiply, 12y plus 8 equals to 9x square. I can bring on this side, I get 8 equals to, please check, 9x square minus 12y. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Please check. 9x square minus 12y equals to 8. Option A is correct. 12th is done. Okay, question number 12, answer is option number A. Good question. Okay, please check. This is done. Question number 13 now. The focus of the parabola y equal to x square is shifted p units to the right. First, let's do one thing. Forget about the shifting and all. First, find the focus. Parabola. Symmetric about y-axis. What is the focus, bacha, over here? Focus is going to be 0, comma, x is 0, right? Y value will be, compare here with 4a, 1 by 4. Correct, now? If you compare this with standard form, 4ax should be there, right? It means 4a equals to 1. So you will have a value as 1 by 4. Okay, great. So now they are saying that 0, comma, 1 by 4 has been shifted by to some point as 4, comma, 5. 0 is done to this p and this is going to be q. Right, now p towards right and q towards what do you call, up. So you have p value as 4 and q value as, please check, 5 minus 1 by 4. So I get 20 minus 1, so 19 by 4. Q is 19 by 4, P is 4. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. Now, question number 14. Axis of a parabola lies along x-axis. Okay. If it is vertex and focus are at distance 0 and 2. Okay, great. Please check. They're saying along x-axis, right? And vertex is over here, 0, 0. Please check, it's going to be at 2. This is 2, right? 2, 0. Okay, the a value is 2, sir. So 4 into a, right? So 4 into 2. Okay. From the origin, they have already taken this. I've taken here origin already. On the positive x-axis, following points. Okay, which point lies on it? So check which point satisfies the equation. Okay. You have to check, but let's try this easiest one. 2, 4. Take x as 2. We'll have into 2 is 16. Yeah, works. 4 square is also 16. Option D is correct. Correct now? Right now? Take x as 2 will become 16 over here. Take y as 4 will become 4 square, so 16 once again. You have answer as 14D. 15 now. If the focus of the conic y square, 4x always lies between the straight line. Okay. Chaliye. Great. So let's say the focus is going to be a, 0. So this will satisfy the both the equations. We'll have a minus 3 over here, and we'll have for this condition, please check, 2a minus 1 because 0 is y and same thing 0 is y. Okay. This has to be between means less than 0. The property is there, right? A times of x1, like that we do. Okay. Great. Let's solve this. We have here a value as 1 by 2 and b value as 3, plus minus plus. Okay, because a quotient is always positive over here, not a problem. So it lie from 1 by 2 open to 3 open. 1 by 2 open to 3 open. Option is B, sir. Please check. Option is B. This is clear, right? This is a property. Okay, you write the coefficient that you have for the, what do you call, the focus, the point, into the equations that you have for the two lines, and product should be less than 0 because you are thinking of putting it between them. Okay, so from there you can solve this inequality. You have plus minus plus because, sir, you have positive over here, positive over here. So start from plus, sign change because you have only one powers. Okay, sign change, wavy curve method, and we get we are looking for minus, right? Less than 0, it means minus. So 1 by 2 to 3 open, answer will be B. Done. Okay. Question number 16 now. The locus of the midpoint of all chords of the parabola. Okay. Through its vertex is another parabola. They have already given. Okay. So basically they're saying that if I draw a parabola like this, let's say. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. No. Y square equal to 4ax. Symmetric about y-axis. No. 4ax. Right. So symmetry what x-axis, right? Okay, so we have this values, please check. Okay, they're saying that all chords midpoint. I can take this as the chord, no? Great. So what will have, sir? If I take this point, no, on the parabola, so it'll become, please check, you have this as, I can write this x value as y square by 4a, na? So I can write this as 2at as the y, will become 4a square, okay. If I take this as, let's say 2at, okay, I have 4a square t square, it will become simply t square, correct now? Please check, t square over here, so you'll have 4at square, okay, and at square, forgive me, okay, at square, correct now? So you'll get what, bacha? No, correct only, t square comma 2at, right? Yeah, let me cross check once again anyway. I get t square over here, so it will become 4a square t square, and you want x is going to be t square, right? Yeah, you want at square, sorry, forgive me, it's going to be at square. Cross check over here. If I do that, I'll get square of this will become a square t, yeah, you'll get 4a square t square, and you'll have on this side as 4a into t square, correct, right only. So if at square comma 2at, this is your parametric form of any point on the parabola. That's okay. We're looking for midpoint of that, right? This is going to be 0, 0. Let's find the coordinate of this midpoint, bacha. We have x, y. What they're saying is, if you take the locus of this point, no, you'll also get another parabola only. But we have to find the equation of the parabola, right? Then we can get the directrix, because for right now, for this parabola, y square equals to what we have 4ax. We know directrix is going to be x equals to minus a, right? That's the directrix. This is my directrix. But if I don't have the equation of the parabola, how do I get the directrix equation? Okay, so I have to get that out. From here we can try to find this. Please check. So if I find the midpoint over here, I get, please check, I get x value as at square by 2, correct now? And I get y value, I have a look, 2at by 2, right? So this is going to be simply cancelled. I have this as 2x upon a equals to t square, and from here I have y upon a equals to t. Same approach, I'm going to eliminate this value, please check. So if I have 2x upon a equals to t square, I can write this t as y by a, sorry, not x, y by a the square, okay. I get this result. I'm going to eliminate this t square now, so I get 2x by a equals to, please check, I have y square upon a square, okay, y square upon a square, so I can cancel this part. So I have the result over here as y square upon a equals to 2x. It means y square equals to 2ax is the equation. So when it was 4ax, my equation was x equals to minus a. So for this condition, I'll have directrix as x equals to minus a by 2. Minus a by 2. Answer will be option D. Please check. That's your answer. Very important to know how to find the directrix, and second thing is to know what is the right parametric form. Okay, so at square, if you remember, very good. If you don't remember, you can find it in this fashion. Okay, got it or not? Yes. What is the answer going to be? At square comma 2at. Please check. 16th is done, sir. Is done. 17th now. Answer is D. 17th now. The slope of the straight line joining the center of the circle. Straight line, center of the circle. Center from here. Please check. Center is 4 comma minus 2 na. 4 comma minus 1, not 2. Please check. 4 comma minus 1 we have. So 4 comma minus 1 we have. Okay. And the vertex of the parabola. Vertex bacha for this will have 0 comma 0. What are they asking? Slope they are asking. Find this. We have, please check, 0 minus of minus 1 divided by 0 minus 4. So I get here 1 by minus 4. Answer is minus 1 by 4. Option is B. Simplest question ever. Not a PYQ. Okay. Chaliye. So center is this. Vertex of the parabola is this. From here we get slope as basically y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Answer is done. 17th is done now. 18th. 17th option was B. 18th now. Okay. Let P be the midpoint of the chord joining the vertex of the parabola. Okay, this is the, okay, they're saying this is the chord. Okay, parabola is given as y square equals to 8x. All right, this is the chord. This is 0 0 comma 0 over here, the origin vertex. Point was same. Okay, some point. Okay, I can write here the same thing, 280 comma, please check, we have t square, no, right, what was it, I just wrote 280, sorry, 80 square comma 280, 80 square comma 280, I just wrote ulta. Excuse me, what happened? Yeah, excuse me, forgive me sir, 280 is there. All right, and what are they asking actually? Okay, locus of point P. What is the point P, bacha? Array, same thing sir, P is the midpoint they have given. Okay, this will become parabola only, no? We just did in question number 16, we did it as a parabola only, right? So it was parabola. Are they asking parabola? No, they are not asking parabola, they are asking the equation. Okay, half it was coming, please check. So when we had y square equals to 4ax given, 4ax we got it as 2ax. 4x became 2x for the new equation. This point's locus will become 2ax. Okay, so it'll be like this, sir. Remember? Yeah, so same way you'll have for this point also, like this only, please check. For this point you'll have the parabola like this only, right? So what is going to be the answer? Half of that, so will become 4 is y equal to half of 8x will become 4x. B. Answer is B. Sorry, I did not read the question properly. Otherwise, if I read the question, you can see 16 is the same, but approach remains the same, bacha. You have to find this point and check the locus. Remember, find the midpoint, right? Take the P as x comma y, taking x as 80 square by 2 and y as 280 by 2, basically 80, comparing the t square coefficients to get the relation as y square equal to 4x. Y square equals to 4x. Done. 19th now. 19. If P is the extremity of, okay, please check, lattice atom of ellipse 3x square plus 4y square equals to 48. We can find from here only, no, ellipse. Divided by 48, it will become x square by 16, y square by 12 equals to 1. That's your ellipse, okay. Your A value is, please check, your A square value is 16 and B square value is 12. Okay, B square value is 12. Okay, and I can write from here what I'm looking for, eccentric angle in the first quadrant. Okay, chaliye, let's find this. So what I can do about this is, please check, I can find the E value now for the ellipse. It will become root of, have a look, I'll have 1 minus B square by A square, so 12 by 16, I get 4 by 16, get 2 by 4, answer is 1 by 2, so your E value is 1 by 2, great. Extremities of lattice rectum, okay, that is all right. P is one of the extremities of lattice rectum, okay, so it will become, bacha, P will be A comma B square by, please check, B square by A, right? Can I find this value now? Yes, we can. We have A as 4, right? So it becomes 4 into 1 by 2 and B square is going to be 12, right? So 12 by 4. So I have this value as 2 comma 3. This is a value for the point P. Eccentric angle. Okay, I can write the polar form, okay? And this thing will become, please check, A cos theta. So 4 cos theta, and simply I can write here B sin theta. Do I need this? I don't need, that's why I'm not writing it, okay? I can just compare these two. I get 4 cos theta equals to 2, okay? So I get cos theta equals to 1 by 2, okay? I'm gonna move this 4 on this side, so 2 by 4 will become 1 by 2. So it becomes pi by 3 will be basically your theta. Answer is pi by 3. Option C is correct, yes. Option C is correct. Please check. Done. Okay? Done, so we have the eccentric angle. First we have to find the E value. From there we have to find this. Extreme P is the extreme, okay? So extreme value of lattice rectum, AE comma B square by A is the formula for that. From there we get the coefficient as 2 comma 3, okay? Even that will lie on the, what do you call, ellipse only, right? So how do you find that? I've taken any common point, any parametric form, polar form, or any point on the polar form, on the point of the point on the ellipse, as A cos theta, A sin, B sin theta, will get what? A as 4b is, what is it, root of 12 means 2 root 3. I don't need that. I can just compare this coefficient 2 as 4 cos theta. I get cos theta as 1 by 2, hence theta will be pi by 3. Done. 20th now. The length of the intercept made by circle. We have the formula for this bacha actually. That length is given by, let's say the length is a. 2 times of, the formula is g square minus c. Please check. 2 times of, what is g square value bacha? Your g value is 8. So 64. C bacha, how much is that? Minus 36. So minus 36. I get 2 times of 64 plus 36. Answer will be 2 times of, how much is it? 100. So 20 is the answer. 2 into 10 will be there. Root of 100 is 10. Answer is 20. Option A is correct. Please check. Okay. So this is one of the property. If you have a circle in general form given and you're looking for the intercept made on x-axis, you're going to take this as 2 times of g square minus c. If you have in y, you're going to take this as simply, what are you going to take? F actually. GH is there, or F, what is it? Basically the coefficient of bacha this. F you're going to take, no? So f square minus c. Okay, your choice. Which one the question which is given, on x or y? Okay, 20 is done. 21 now. Very, very important. This is very, very important. Okay. 21 now. A rod AB of length 15 centimeter rests in between two coordinate axes such a way that end A lies on x-axis, end B lies on y-axis. Point PXY is taken on the rod. Point P is over here, x comma y. Okay, such that AP is 6. This is 6, so this has to be 9 because total sum is 15. Okay, what are they asking? Find the locus of P. The locus of P. Please check. Okay, I have to eliminate bacha. Basically, I have to make an equation in the form of P. Great, great, great. Let's write this. Let's call this angle to be theta. Okay, I can make triangles over here, right? So please check. This is x comma y means this is going to be. Please check. This is going to be x, right? So this x coordinate means this value is going to be. Please check x. Okay, this is going to be y, right? And this is x. This is x, and this is. Please check, this is y. All right. So I can write here, over here, will become sine theta equals to y upon 6. Y upon 6. Okay. And same way, for this angle, it will be also theta, right? Correct, now? Because they are same angle, no? They are corresponding angles, parallel lines. So for this point, you'll have cos theta, right? Equals to x by 9. X by 9. Let's square and add them up. Okay, you'll have cos square theta plus sine square theta on this side. You'll have x square by 81 plus y square by 36. Okay, it's going to be 1, and you have same thing, x square by 81 plus y square by 36. I have the relation between x and y. This is my locus. Option is C. 81 by 36. Please check. Done. Option is C. Question number 22 now. What we have? Equations of the circle with the center, this and this. Center is given. So x minus of minus a basically becomes x of plus a. Same way you'll have y plus b, the whole square. And you have radius also given, right? So root of this, the whole square. What I'm getting over here, please check. I get x square plus a square. I get plus 2ax plus y square b square plus 2bx equals to, I get a square minus b square. This and this cancels, sir. So basically I'll have no a square and plus 2b square, because I have b square over here. It will become on this side, it will come on this side, become positive. So I have 2b square. Check the options. Option is A. All is positive, x square, y square, 2ax, 2by, x square, y square, 2ax, 2by. This is 2by actually, 2by, and we have 2b square. Option A is correct. 22 is done now. 23. Question number 23. Okay. Area of the triangle formed by the lines joining the vertex of the parabola. Okay. And the ends of that. Okay, fine. Symmetric about x-axis, sorry, y-axis. All right. We're looking for this triangle, right? Lateral rectum. Please check. So it becomes 2a 2a, basically 4a, right? And this is going to be a, right? This part is going to be a, so you have the area as 1 by 2 into 4a. The base into height is simply a. Please check. I get 2a square. What is the a value, bacha? Please check from here. 4a equals to 12 means a equals to 3 from here, right? So I get the area equals to, please check, the area equals to 2 into 9, right? It's a p by q. 2 into 9 becomes simply equals to 18. Answer is B, 18. Okay, 23, B is correct. 24 now. If the eccentricity of the hyperbola is given like this, okay, and if the focal chord is given, I can find like this. Please check. I can write this value as AE, right, comma 0, the focus. So I have 5 by 4 A comma 0 as the focus point. In terms of they have given this E value, right? This is the E value. In terms of eccentricity, we have AE by A comma 0. So 5 by 4 A comma 0. Great. Now this is called as focal chord, means passing through the focus. Okay. So we'll put this value in this. Please check. I'll have 2 times of 5 by 4 A plus 0 minus 6 equals to 0, right? Because this is 0, so 0. What I get, please check. I'm getting here 10 by 4 A. Over here I have 6 right here. I'm getting A value as 24 by 10. Okay. They're asking us length of the axis. Okay. So it'll be in simply 2A. So what I get for this, 2 times of 24 by 10. I'm getting here 5. Answer is going to be 24 by 5. Option is A. Please check. Done. 24th is done. Question number 25 now. Okay. If x equals to 2 plus 3 cos theta, y equal to this, represent the circle when center and radius is. Okay. They're asking us to find the circle and circles equation, and from there you have to check for the center and radius. They've given the condition for x and y. So let's eliminate bacha theta over here. How can we do that? We have sine and cos. I can square it up. Okay. So I can write this as x minus 2 equals to 3 cos theta. From here I can write, please check, 3 sine theta equals to 1 minus y. Correct now? Move this side on this and y on this side. Square and square both sides and add them. What are you going to get? X minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus y the whole square equals to, what I get? 9 is going to be common. We have 3 square and 3 square, so 9 is going to be common. Cos square plus sine square. Okay. Of course theta is there. It will become 1 now. Entity is there. So it becomes a, please check, center is going to be x comma y. So we have 2 comma 1. This is 1, right? From here we have x coordinate as 2 of the center, and this is going to be 1. The radius is 3. So answer is 2 comma 1 and 3. 2 comma 1 as the center and radius as 3. Option is B. Not 9. 9 is, sir, r square. Okay. 9 is r square, sir. Please check. So what is the radius? 3. 25 is done. 26 now. The eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay, let's find this. We know the formula of E equals to root of 1 minus b square upon a square. Please check. Okay, we'll have 1 minus 16 by 36. I get this as 20 by 36 in the root will become 4 into 5, right? So 2 root 5 upon 6. Option A is correct. It's a P by Q, I think. Yeah, very simple. So I've taken the difficult problem which is not a P by Q, the challenging ones, but you can see the P by Qs are very simple actually. 26 is done. 27 now. Distance between the foci of a hyperbola is 16. Basically, sir, they've given, okay, 2a is given as 16. Okay. They've also given the E value as root 2. It means I can find the A value now. So right here 2 times of root 2 into A equals to 16. It means 2, I have 8 over here. So I get, please check, 4, sorry, I'm squaring on both sides, okay. Squaring on both sides, I have 2 over here, right. So I get 2a square equals to 64. So gets cancelled. So 32, I get a square is nothing but 32, okay. Have a look. They have given root 2 eccentricity. It means rectangular hyperbola. It means a rectangular hyperbola it means what, sir? It'll be equal, right? It'll be equal. Okay, if not, you can solve it. All right, we have the condition E equals to 1 plus b square upon a square. You can solve from here. E square minus 1 equals to b square upon a square. So basically b square equals to a square into e square minus 1. Please check. What is e square, sir? E square is going to be root 2 square. So 2 only. 2 minus 1 is going nothing but 1. So we have basically b square and a square are equal. Basically in the case where we have e value as root 2, we call that to be a case of rectangular hyperbola. Nothing but a square and b square are equal. So answer will be, please check, x square by 32 minus y square by 32 equals to 1. Cross multiply x square minus y square equal to 32. Option A is correct. Simple question. Option A is correct. Now it's a PYQ again, 2018 it was asked. Moving on to next question. Have a look. 28. The eccentricity of the ellipse. Let's solve this first. Get the form right. We have 25 into 9 becomes actually 225. So we have x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. Correct. Now what I've done, divided both sides by 225. Okay. So a square is 25 and b square is 9. Okay. So you want e, right, for ellipse, right? So we'll have 1 minus 9 upon 25. I get 16 upon 25. In the root I get 4 upon 5. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Let's move on now to question number 29. Question number 29, sir. Okay, very simple. What we have, parabola is given, passes through the point this. Okay, let's find this first. This point will satisfy this equation. We'll have to write this as 2 square 4 into a into y as 1. So I get this as 4 equals to 4a. It means a equals to 1, right? What are they asking? Length of lattice rectum. This value. How much is that? 4a. 4 times of 1. How much is that? Simply 4. Simply 4. Please check. 4. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Last question of the day now. This is PYQ again. Please check 2020. This was asked. Next question, 30. Okay, 30th we have, if the vertices of a triangle are triangle, right? We have 4, 1, 4. We have 1, 1, 3, 1 by 3. Okay, let's check, name it. We get A, B and C. What are they asking? Orthocenter. It means the intersection point of altitudes. So draw the altitudes, this over here and this over there. So right here, D, E, T, E. Okay, so altitudes we are looking for. Great. So we are looking for this point's coordinate, right? Okay, so what we can do actually is, we can using this slope, we can find this equation of this line. Correct, na? This slope we can find. This point we know, we can use the point slope form to find this equation of the line AD, and also same way you can find the slope of this line and this point's coordinate to use the equation of the line B and solve it to get the point. Let's say call this point to be O. This point's coordinate O. Okay, so have a look. How can you solve it, sir? Slope of M of BC. How much is that? We have 1 by 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. What I get? Minus 2 by 3 upon 2. Cancel, I get this as minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. This is slope of BC. So slope of AD will become, so basically, please check, slope of AD will become simply, please check, 3, no? Because we know that they are perpendicular, means this into this has to be minus 1. Please check. Minus 1 by 3 into 3 is minus 1 only, right? Okay, so this is going to be 3. Now can you find the equation of this line AD? So for AD what we have, sir? For AD we have y minus 1 by 4 equals to m is 3, x minus 4. Okay, LCM will become 4y minus 1 equals to 4 into 3 into x minus 4. I'm taking this 4 LCM over here and then taking on this side. I get 4y minus 1 equals to 12x, please check, and minus 48, right? 12 4s are 48. So I'm going to do one thing, bring this thing over here, and that thing over there. We get here 47, because 48 plus will come, minus 1 is there, so 47. We have 12x minus 4y. This is my equation for AD. Let's call this to be equation number 1. Same way I can find slope of AC, okay, sorry, not C, basically CA, and use the point 1 1 to find the line of AC. So AC will actually coming out as, please check, 12x minus y equals to 11. This is going to be your equation of AC. Okay, now if you solve this question, no, please check if you solve this. If you subtract these two, you're going to get 12x cancelled. You'll have this basically as 3y minus 3y, and you'll have this as 48. Please check. If you subtract 1 minus 2, if you do, no, you're going to get this as 12x cancelled. You'll have minus 3y equals to 36. So I get x value as, sorry, y value, no, 3y is there, right? So y value, no, 1 second. Some confusion is there. I'll just remove that. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say over here, no, if you subtract 12x, it's going to be 0, minus 4 plus 1, it will become minus 3y, and 47 minus 11, it will become 36. So what are you going to have? Y equals to 36 by minus 3, so minus 12, y will be minus 12. Okay, so option, we can say here, option C is correct. Solve it, you'll have the option C as right. Please check. Okay, how do you find the equation of AC, sir? How do you find equation of AC? I'm going to tell once more. Please check. You can find the slope of AC. Point is given. So from slope of AC, use this again, minus 1 by. For this point, you're going to do what? Minus 1 by slope of the point AC, right? To get the slope of the line BE, and from there you have the point B known. Find the equation of the line. Sorry, not AC. Excuse me. I wrote AC over here. This is not AC, sir. This is actually BE. Okay. Forgive me. This is, sir, BE actually. From here, BE you're going to get as 12x minus y equal to 11. Solve the equation 1 and 2 over here. You get this value as y equal to minus 12, and x will come as minus 1 by 12. Option C is correct. 30 is done. Please check. Excellent question, not a P by Q. Okay, 30 is done. Great. So this completes our session on top 30 from PU1. This is the second session, part 2 actually, where I dealt with your coordinate geometry, having both the chapters, straight lines and conic section. Okay, so this completes your session. I have done in very detail. A lot of questions have been done. Please go ahead and check out the sessions. If you feel to solve these questions again, pause the videos and solve all the questions. Okay, and of course the sessions PDF will be given to you in the WhatsApp channel. If you're somebody who is already in the WhatsApp channel, don't worry about it. Sessions PPT in the form of PDF will be given to you there. But if you're watching the session for the first time, for that I'm telling you, you get the sessions PPT, all updates in the WhatsApp channel itself. So please join that and keep the subscription on for this channel. Okay, and notification also turned on. Any update coming your way, any video coming your way will be notified to you. We also keep posting the every day's schedule in the community post of the YouTube itself, on our channel's community post. You can go and check out in the morning, 6 a.m. It comes every morning, 6 a.m. We post the schedule, and you can see the schedule, what is coming for the day for the channel itself. Okay, now with this I'm going to end the session today. Keep working hard, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.